Hi, welcome back guys. Today we're talking about how to add people on Twitter Circle. You want your tweets to be visible to a selected set of individuals rather than all of your followers. So today I'm going to show you how to add people on Twitter Circle. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Twitter application. What you need to do here is tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, a panel will appear at the left side. And here, tap on Twitter Circle. You can see here the list of accounts that is inside your Twitter Circle. If you want to add someone into this circle, simply tap on this recommended tab. And here, you can see the list of your followers that you can add inside your circle. Simply look for the person you want to add. You can swipe up or you can search for their name using the search bar at the top. Once you see the person you want to add, simply tap on this add button beside their username. After that, that person will now be added to your Twitter circle. Twitter circle allows you to tweet to a smaller audience of your choice. Anyone on Twitter, even if they do not follow someone, can be added to a circle. Once in the circle, they'll be able to see tweets and replies shared in that circle. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add people on Twitter circle, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add people on Twitter circle, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.